Let us now look into how to print totals and subtotals in ALV factory methods. So most of the times we may need to display totals and subtotals in ALV reports. So in this lesson we will be able to learn how to display totals and subtotals in ALV with factory methods. So for this we will display purchase order details for a range of purchase order. So we'll display totals and subtotals for a purchase order number. So first we'll be doing data declarations. We'll consider the tables and select option for the user input. This purchase order number input and user defined tabs begin off for purchase order item table. This is, and let us consider some fields like purchase order number, material number, yes, and create internal table and work area, and start of selection, select the fields from the table into internal table. Now declare the class SALV table. So now let us call the class using the pattern LRALV, call the factory method, press enter, scroll down, quickly uncomment this to here, give our local LR ALB and changing IT EKPO. So until this we are very comfortable, but now we should have to write data type ref2. There is a class CLSALV aggressions, and into this aggression we will be calling the method get aggressions, which is the method in the class CLSALV table itself. And and now call the method using the local object add aggressions, and exporting parameters are the field for the aggregations and total. Now we'll declare another class for sorting. Go through this video twice or thrice. If you don't understand, don't worry, I will be posting you the code in the next section for all these programs. You can just download the code and test it in your SAP Access if you are practicing. And now call the method getSorts, and the parameters are value LRSort. And now one more class for the column ref2 CAS. These are the standard classes, SAP classes. I will also be sending you all the classes available. You can just download it, and this is for the adding the sorts, add column sorts. The parameters, the column name is EBLN, and receiving the value from LRSort column. Now call method LRSort columns set subtotal. This is for adding subtotal. Exporting the value is true. Now we have finished writing our code. We will just call LR ALV display. Now let us check for any errors. No errors. Let us execute it. I don't want to give any number. Let it print all the values. So how beautifully it has displayed. These are the subtotals and everything. So this is how we use totals and subtotals in ALV factory methods. I'll be sending all the codes to you in the next section. You can directly download it and practice it. The more you practice, the more you remember the methods and the classes available. This is all about the UELV is all about remembering the classes. The many classes you remember, the more knowledge you gain. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.